Hello, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Just wanted to do our calendar today. So, good morning. And today is Wednesday. Oh, I'm so excited. It's Wednesday. The week's halfway over. I hope you guys are doing good. So, everybody needs to say today is Wednesday. It is April, so everybody needs to say the month is April. And it is Wednesday, April 22nd. And today is going to rain. There's an 80% chance of rain today. So, and the weatherman says it's probably going to be about 75, so we'll say it's warm. So, just because it's going to be rainy, I'm going to go ahead and wear pants and a t-shirt. And we're going to need some rain boots. Miss Corbett needs to buy some rain boots. And a rain hat. We're going to stay nice and dry today. And lastly, our raincoat. So today's weather, Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. Rainy and warm. I hope you guys stay dry. Have a great day. Make sure you read, or make sure you go to Canvas, log in and do your work on Canvas and watch the videos.